All right, guys, straight to the point. Any Mazda with an electric parking brake, to put it into maintenance mode, you do not need any tools. You're just gonna make sure car's off, click this twice. You're going to push down on this and press the gas all the way down until it clicks. And then you're gonna cycle the key off, accessory on. You can hear the parking brakes working. If you get this light, it means you successfully are in maintenance mode. You could turn it on just to verify. You can see it's still on. We are in maintenance mode. So now you could take off those rear wheels, take off the calipers, and you could squeeze them. You could actually squeeze them by hand. It's very easy. Now to get it back into regular mode, same thing, 2 clicks, but this time you're gonna do gas pedal all the way down and pull up on this. Cycle the key. You can hear the parking brake going back. And that's it. If you have any issues, you just got to remember to make sure the car is in park and make sure the parking brake is not set. And that's all you need. You do not need any scan tool. Do not watch these YouTube shorts with people taking off the parking brake motors and turning them by hand. You have no idea how many of those parking brake motors we have to replace here because of people messing them up. Super easy. I'll just do it one more time. Car off, parking brake off. Click this 2 times to make sure ignition on, engine off. Gas pedal all the way down. Click this down, cycle the key. So now it's off, accessory, and then on. And there it goes. You can hear the parking brake motors. We are in maintenance mode. You can turn the car off, back to on, same thing, but this time you're gonna pull up, gas pedal all the way down, cycle the key again, back to on. And now maintenance mode is going to turn off right there. You go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I am a Mazda Master Tech, so if you have any questions, let me know. This works on any car. We are in the year 2025, so any car up to this point still uses the same method. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.